In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly undo and redo actions on your computer, whether you're using Windows or a Mac. This simple skill can be a real time saver and a lifesaver, especially when you're working intensely on a project and every action counts. Let's dive right in so you can master these essential keyboard shortcuts and techniques. First, let's tackle the essential process of undoing your last action. If you're using a Windows computer, you'll want to press Ctrl and the Z key together, also known as Ctrl plus Z. If you're a Mac user, the process is almost identical, but you'll be using the Command key with the Z key, which is CMD plus Z. This handy little shortcut can reverse your last mistake in an instant, giving you peace of mind and more control over your work. It's incredibly useful in almost every application, from word processors to graphic design software, and even in some web browsers. But what if you unintentionally undo something important that you didn't mean to reverse? Well, you're in luck because there's a quick solution: the redo function. On a Windows computer, you'll need to use the shortcut Ctrl plus Shift plus Z. It's the same concept as undo, but this time we add the Shift key into the mix to allow you to redo the action you just undid. For our friends using a Mac, the process is just the same, but again with the Command key. That's CMD plus Shift plus Z. Now, while keyboard shortcuts are fantastic for speed and efficiency, there might be times when you prefer using the menu options available in your software. In most applications, if you'd rather not use shortcut keys, you can click on the Edit menu at the top of your screen. Here, you'll generally see options for both undo and redo at your disposal. Simply click Undo to reverse your last action, or select Redo to reapply that action you just undid. This method is just as effective, though perhaps a little slower, if you're really looking to boost your productivity. One important note is that these commands are not universally applied to every single action on your computer. Their functionality can depend on the specific software you're using, and some applications might not support these features at all. For example, when filling forms in web browsers, Command or Ctrl plus Z might undo text but won't necessarily reverse more complex actions. So, always be conscious of where and how you're using these commands. Incorporating these keyboard shortcuts into your workflow can empower you to work more efficiently and with much greater ease. So go ahead and put these tips to the test. Whether for recovering from an accidental delete or retracing your steps in intricate work, mastering undo and redo will surely enhance your digital life. Thanks for watching, and happy computing.